Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve a vector algebra problem. As per the problem, let vector A and vector B be two unit vectors and theta be the angle between them. Then vector A plus vector B is a unit vector if we are given four answer choices. We have to choose the correct answer choice. Let's start by analyzing the given information. Vectors A and B are unit vectors. A unit vector is a vector whose magnitude is equal to 1. Therefore, the magnitude of vector A is equal to 1 and magnitude of vector B is equal to 1. Next, we should draw vectors A and B. Let's assume this is vector A. Since both vectors A and B have the same magnitude, they should have the same length. Let's assume this is vector B. The angle between the vectors is theta. We can draw vector A plus B using the parallelogram method for addition of vectors. We can complete the parallelogram made by these two vectors A and B. We can draw vector B in tip-to-tail arrangement with vector A. The fourth side of this parallelogram is represented by vector A. Vector A plus B is the longer diagonal of this parallelogram. So it's this diagonal, and this is vector A plus vector B. We can label the corners of this parallelogram. We have to find the value of theta, for which A plus B is a unit vector. For that, we should analyze triangle ACD in this parallelogram. I'll draw it again on the board. In a parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary angles. That means their sum is equal to pi or 180 degrees. As per the problem, the angle between vectors A and B is theta. So the measure of angle D in the parallelogram or the triangle ACD is pi minus theta. Because supplementary angles have a sum of pi. Therefore, the measure of angle D is pi minus theta. In this triangle ACD, the length of side AD is 1 unit because the magnitude of vector A is 1. It's a unit vector. And length of side CD is 1 because the magnitude of vector B is 1. If vector A plus B is a unit vector, that means the length of side AC is 1 because the magnitude of A plus B is equal to 1. In that case, this triangle becomes a equilateral triangle because all three sides have the same length, 1. And we know that in an equilateral triangle, all angles are equal to 60 degrees or pi over 3. Therefore, the measure of angle D in this triangle should be equal to pi over 3. So our equation is pi minus theta equals pi over 3. This is the equation we have to solve to find the value of theta, for which A plus B is a unit vector. We can isolate theta in this equation by moving negative theta to the right side of the equation. It will become plus theta. Next, we can subtract pi over 3 from both sides. We can subtract the terms by finding a common denominator. The denominator of pi is 1. The common denominator is 3. So I get 3 pi over 3 minus pi over 3, which is equal to 2 pi over 3. So theta is equal to 2 pi over 3. So the answer should be option D. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.